When and how can I, start planning for my new year? Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. When and how can I plan for my new year? You know, it doesn't have to be the first day of the year by any means. You can start at any time you want, and you don't have to wait for the first day of the year, the first day of the new year. I mean, first of all, you need to ask yourself a few questions. For example, what should you stop doing in the new year? Think deeply about it and answer. Something that has no role in your future. Something that can't help you to achieve, to achieve your goals, to become a better version of yourself. What do you want to continue? Think about it deeply. Whatever helps you. Next question. What should you start? Right, to discover. Writing is, I believe writing is a form of therapy. It always helps. Define your goals. What do you need to do to achieve what you want and continue to excel? Next one. What can you do to start? Start right now. Start doing. What do you need to eliminate from your life, from your habits? To become who you want to be. Eliminate the extras. Focus on what matters most. Why are you wasting your time? So come on, quickly, right? And discover and do it. So don't whine, don't be lazy. Move and try and just do it and finish what you've started. Okay? Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thanks for supporting me, and like and share, subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, and write a comment for me. And always remember, they are unique. There is always, just one you. Okay? Focus on yourself, your energy. You cannot take someone else's place, and no one can take your place. Okay? Love you. Bye.